Oh, hello everyone, welcome to the NN Classroom. Today I'd like to switch the channel to biology and discuss some of the past paper questions with you. So this is the one extracted from 2018 Time Zone 2 in May, which is multiple choice. The first one, which is pretty straightforward, asking for the concept related to stem cell. Yeah, what is asking for? They are saying, when compared to other body cells, which characteristic of a stem cells, right? Obviously, the keyword here is the stem cell. Is most important for therapeutic uses. Another important concept is that how, in topic 1, supposedly we've learned the way how stem cell is capable in terms of the therapeutic application, mainly focusing on two major diseases, right? The first one is just molecular dystrophy, that is to say, a degeneration in the retina cells, and the second disease, which is what we call leukemia, a white blood cell cancer. So at that time, we'll learn how we use stem cell to help us to handle the therapeutic application in curing those diseases for those patients, right? But the most important idea behind any of these diseases is that the success of the stem cell is because stem cells are what we said to be all of the undifferentiated, undifferentiated cells, right? So that means they are capable to be able to develop or to differentiate into any other cell type for the future application, in showing some what we call the emergent properties, right? So which means the success of stem cells is because you can become any other cells that we are now having in the body. So that's why it can potentially help us to cure any such like genetic disease or even cancers, right? Because they can eventually become back part of my cells, right? So that's why cure some disease that's supposedly difficult to be cured, but remember, not infectious disease, right? So that's why the most important feature of the stem cell is that it is an undifferentiated type, non-developed type prototype of a cell when we still like fetus or even a fertilized egg. So that's why the most important characteristic of a stem cell that is able for them to having therapeutic application is that it is going to be less differentiation. So that's why for B, C, D, these are not correct choices, right? So that's why obviously the answer goes to A.